Hello, good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the live. Here we focus on trading gold from NYSE to London close. The focus is discipline and build consistency over time. If that's something that resonates with you, stay tuned and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Without further ado, let's do our daily analysis quickly. So we have 2 minutes left for the candle to close. The daily had a lower week and is pushing up. H4 also made a high and it looked like we are finding support here, which will be good for price to push up. And on 30 minutes, so we found a previous support here and this candle is closing here. I guess we have a possibility for price to push up. So here this candle grab some sort of liquidity here and closing up. So I was about to do I tried to take a sell here. It was a bad idea. The moment I noticed, I exit the trade. So impulse entry here at the break of this low. I thought we could push down here, but later on I noticed that this doesn't align with my plan, my trading plan. So I exited. But my bias is bullish. Bullish.
The next candle break down and break the highest.
Yeah, I think that can be nice. Impulse entry, a nice impulse entry. I guess we can push up to this level and even this level. This is NYSE, which bring a lot of volume. And oh, candle just started. Okay, we closed. Right, now we just need some sort of entry. Don't have any entry. Look at this, maybe impulse entry, but yeah, 40 people. Yeah, I guess we need to wait for a candle to close above this area. 15 minutes probably. Right, this is retesting this low here. We'll see. Yo, discipline is very important. I would have taken another big loss on this, man, because stop loss was too big. No, entering here, stop loss was like 45 pip, and I had no way to manage risk. I would have taken another big loss to trump my progress.
I am in this flip.
Oh, you are in the flip? Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, yeah, maybe not a bad idea. Yeah, Amal, you should have told me.
You have big stop loss even.
Yeah, at the flip, stop loss would have been 30 pip.
Yeah.
Can I enter? But this is not a way I enter usually.
Yeah, don't enter. Risky.
Yeah. It's not a, but there is a good probability for price to push up. And I think this can be a very good area to enter. But I need to stay disciplined, right? I need to stay disciplined. And at the break of this high, stop loss is too big. I need to stay disciplined. It is risky. We have resistance here. But 30 minutes is good. Yeah. I think Amol is fucked. Yeah. Amol is fucked. Where is your stop loss?
29.76. Already closed 50%. It went 5 pips in profit and came back to my entry.
Oh, okay. That's how you manage?
Yeah. I'm still running.
So it is below the zone?
Yeah, below the zone. 39.76. 39.76, not 38. 39.76. Yeah, a little bit above, but 76.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
maybe at the retracement entry here, that's good. I think there is a good possibility for it to push up. I just need an entry. If I don't have an entry,
Closed. Just closed my trade.
yeah, I need an entry. Because what if this cannot close below here and continue to push down? What if? Because on 30 minutes the trend is, even though analysis is based on H4, but on 30 minutes it is another structure. We made a low here, so a resistance, a break, and close below here, we can push down. Kamrul Hossein, hi, how are you? Thanks for joining. Yeah, we need to be very careful. I need to be very careful because I'm entering in a danger zone. Entering in a danger zone.
3%.
Yeah, I'm entering the danger zone. I have to be even more disciplined now. Even more.
Yeah.
I'm entering in a danger zone. I think this can push up. That's my bias for now. But if this 30-minute candle close below here, then my bias change. But for now, my bias is still bullish. We'll see. Oh, we need to be very careful. Mr. Shakil, how are you? Any trade today? Oh yeah, it look like we are closing bearish, and that will be something. That will be also H4 breaking the low to continue down. 1 hour. Yeah, that will be nice. I think that's probably the legendary trade that is coming. This 30-minute candle closing below here, we have 160 pip range for price to push down. Or this can close bearish, the next candle close bullish to push up. Yeah, counter trend trade. We need to be patient. It's not ready yet. Not ready yet. But what if you have to pick a direction? You guys, what is your bias?
Sell.
Sell? And Shakil, you?
No direction, no.
No direction? Yeah, it's kind of difficult because we broke above this level, right? And price made a high here. For me, if you ask me, I will say, bullish, because we need to see some sort of support to retest this high. But at the same time, this also closed bearish, and if you switch to 1 hour, so you can see that the structure is different. We made a high, we are coming down. Okay, we need support somewhere here, but if you close below here, it's changed, right? The bias for me, it's multiple bias, right? So the bullish bias is valid as long as we are closing above this area, but if we close below here, it becomes the bearish bias. That's my outlook. If this one closed bearish, then okay, we are going down. But if this close above, the next candle close bullish, then definitely we are going up. For me, it's two things. Those two things. Yeah. Let's just wait for this guy. I feel like a nice trade is coming. We got exactly the same thing last week. So Monday we had no trade during our session, and obviously we got a trade at 12 p.m. But then Tuesday we got a nice volume day. I guess something like that can happen today. We just need this candle to close below the supports. It will be a legendary, a bloody sell to the downside.
Trade legenders.
Yeah. Trade legendary. It will be a bloody sell. Bloody sell. Yo, I was about to do a big mistake here. Fortunately, I just...
There was no sell.
Yeah.
There.
Fortunately, I just got back conscious of what I'm doing. Because, you know, the same mistake I did before. So I was kind of watching something on YouTube. I was not even focused too much on the chart. And then I saw this candle made a wick up and was trying to break. You know, it was somewhere here. It was trying to break. I said, okay, oh, this is interesting. We came down. We got a new structure here. The break of this low, we have a clean range. Maybe we can push down. That was my thinking. And straight, price was starting to break quickly. So I just took a sell. But realized that there is no stop loss. So stop loss was way bigger somewhere. Then I decided to exit. There is no point. This is breaking again, but we have nothing. We need to wait for this candle to close. What if it just continue to push down? 1 hour breaking, H4 breaking, but no entry. Oh man.
I'm secured for 25 pips. 2.5%.
Where did you take a sell?
At the break. Wow. Still, runner is still going.
But you just took a buy. And now you are taking a sell.
Yeah.
And what stop loss was 100 pip?
No. Inside the zone.
Wow.
Like 33 pips.
And what is this setup or structure?
Support 4 hour breaking the low, 1 hour breaking the low, 30-minute breaking the support, 15-minute breaking the support. And I know it will not give me the closure there. It will move before the closure. Even Cast took the same kind of trade for the buy side today, if you look his story. I can show you where. Like there. Same kind of scenario. Here. At the flip hit placed his stop loss at the middle of the candle. Somewhere there. Yeah, somewhere there.
Yeah, but on for his case, it perfectly makes sense because 15-minute close above here volume and the next one broke. We took this one last week and stop loss made sense because it was below 15-minute wick here. This was good trade. This was a good trade, but for you, I just don't understand. But it's fine, you made money. inside the zone. Good.
Stopped out.
Yep. Let's wait for this candle to close. I'm gonna wait for my trade. 15 minutes is closing soon, but nothing. When was this? 9:30. Oh, this was London session. Okay. And Raja took trade during Asian session.
Asian session.
Asian session. Yeah, this made sense, and we had a clean range. 1 hour clean range, 30 minutes. Look at this 30-minute clean range. Beautiful. This was good. This was good. Kaskas got it. He
Kaskas
got it. Yeah, he got it. He got the thing.
Kaskas.
This was very good.
Yes, sir, but now name is there. Yes, sir, but Salahuddin.
Salahuddin?
Yeah. Full name.
Ah, okay. Yeah, this was good. 15 minutes just close, but yeah, nothing with rejection. Let's wait for 30-minute closure. But this is leaving a week, getting tough.
This is a big fill. Wow.
Wow. Money sound.
Body is 60 pips and wick is 1.
So can you do a quick scalping? Quick scalping.
हाँ ठीक है.
Oh, you are on a call?
I'm in a call, bro. Wait.
Yeah. Mr. Shakil, how is going on?
I was thinking to take a sell on the M15 flip, and now the price is going, but I'm not in. I have seen it many times that when the impulse entry setup creates.
So you took a
price
sell?
breaks- No, I was thinking of it, but I'm not in.
Okay, at the break of this low?
Yes, I was expecting a wick fill on the M15 time frame. I expecting a M15 wick fill.
Oh, okay, on this one, this current one. Okay. Okay, but you didn't take it.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Because I think it is risky. It was risky because there was not defined the stop loss. Stop loss were not properly defined here.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, bro.
Just 1 second. I'm texting a message.
Mm-hmm.
अमोल भाई, अमोल,
हाँ भैया, हाँ।
यार ये एक चीज नोट करी आपने?
क्या चीज?
जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल M30 पे अगर आप देखो,
हम्म।
M30 पे एक इम्पल्स एंट्री का सेटअप बना हुआ है।
हाँ, बना है।
तो अक्सर ऐसे होता है कि जैसे डायरेक्शन है डाउनवर्ड है ना,
हाँ हाँ।
तो कैंडल इसका लो ब्रेक करती है और इंस्टेंटली ऊपर चली जाती है।
हाँ वो इसीलिए ना, क्योंकि 15 पे सपोर्ट था भैया उधर लेफ्ट पे, इसलिए वो रिजेक्ट हुआ था वैसा।
अच्छा, फिर उसने
हाँ
दोबारा उसी उसी डायरेक्शन में मूव देना शुरू कर दिया।
हाँ, क्योंकि 15 का सपोर्ट के नीचे ये क्लोज किया ना अभी, तब जाकर के मूव किया, ऐसा कई बार देखा हूँ मैं होते हुए। और ये 15 में अगर वीक सपोर्ट है या 30 वीक है ना एकदम, वो पिन
हम्म।
बार कैंडल वाला, उस पे वो काम कर जाता है, इस पे वो स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट था वो।
सही सही सही।
सांगरे भी वहीं फंस गया था।
सही सही सही।
हम्म। वो
तो
स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट से रिजेक्ट हुआ 15 के वो।
ये स्टॉप लॉस हंटिंग नहीं है? फॉर
ये
एग्जांपल अगर
तो
किसी ने, फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे किसी ने इसके ब्रेक ऑफ लो पे सेल ली हो,
हाँ हाँ, और 15 पे
उनके,
ऐसा लगाया वो करंट 15 जो ब्रेक कर रहा था, तो वैसा
हाँ,
उसका रहा था लगभग 40 पिप 45 पिप का।
स्टॉप लॉस खाया और दोबारा नीचे
हम्म।
जाना शुरू हो गई।
दोबारा नीचे आया तो ये 15 जो नीचे क्लोज किया ना नेक्स्ट अभी,
हाँ हाँ।
तो सेकंड चांस दे सकता था इस चीज को।
सही सही।
तो ये चल रहा है अच्छा, वीक फिल जितना चल गया, 80 पिप चल गया।
हाँ
चांस नहीं देगा अभी है ना, आजकल ये चांस नहीं देता है, बिल्कुल क्लोजिंग नहीं देता है।
हाँ।
न्यूयॉर्क में
बहुत
तो
मुश्किल
देता
है।
ही बहुत मुश्किल से एक आध दिन देगा, बाकी दिन ऐसे ही मूव कर करके आपको फोमो में डाल दे। इसलिए मैं कुछ कुछ एंट्री मॉड्यूल बना लिया हूँ ताकि घुस जाऊं कुछ ट्रेंड में। बताए ना, बंदा क्या करेगा, 30 ओपन होगा तो नेक्स्ट कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा।
नेक्स्ट आरडी ओपन होगा तो आप बीच में हो, आप बीच में क्या करोगे?
तो बीच में क्या करेंगे बताइए, कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा।
फिर उल्टा वेट करते रहो रीटेस्ट का।
ये तो हो गया, टाइम खत्म, सब चीज चला गया। इसलिए 15 बहुत जरूरी है देखना।
स्पेशली न्यूयॉर्क में।
सांगरे नहीं मानता है।
Candle is closing in 5 minutes. Yeah.
या
I was saying that I am entering in a danger zone, and if I can pass through that danger zone, I think it will be very good. I need to be very, very mindful of myself right now
हाँ।
to not make a bad mistake again.
हम्म।
Hmm. Hmm.
ना भी ये बहुत नहीं डरता है ये।
Yo, this is getting tough now. It's getting tough.
Fifteen closed below, that was the trade, I guess.
Yeah, but where is your entry?
Inside the zone, SL. After it picked up and broke its own low inside the zone. Yeah, there.
No, man, that's not an entry criteria I use.
Now impulse, wait for impulse entry. This candle will close, the next candle will wake up and break.
Yeah, price already moved too much. You remember I did that mistake with you and I got cooked. 2% loss. Right here.
No, not
no,
there.
no, not there.
Not
right,
there.
right
even,
here.
right there.
So when price moved a lot, just let it go. That's the lesson from here. Look where I'm taking the loss. From nothing, from the the void space. Look, so bad trade, a very, very bad trade, man. look at the entry, man. A very bad trade.
You're roasting me.
No, I'm roasting us because I took the
Yeah.
trade.
So what's your plan for now?
Sorry,
Wait for
based on your
retest.
Sorry,
10:30
yeah,
time.
yeah, I'm just waiting for retest, so I cannot enter this now. Maybe later on the buy scenario will come, I don't know. Because we needed to come probably to this area on H4 before maybe going up. But if we close bearish, this is also, you know, a structure on H4. We made a low here and it's very complicated at this point. So just focusing on this area here. So to go up, we needed to respect this zone. We need to respect this zone to go back. But if we are closing inside, it means maybe we are coming down here eventually. Maybe we are coming down here to fill this week. So I don't know. We'll have to see. But we moved down too much, right? That's also one thing. We moved down too much. This cannot close above. This one is closing inside. So we moved to too much. And looking at this, so the structure is bearish. And we are almost reaching this area. So it's not advisable to take a sell down here because price moved too much. We need to wait for a retracement or maybe some sort of resistance break down here to push back up. So that's the only two options we have. So first thing that can happen, you see this close with no bottom wick. First good thing we have is let price come down here, find some sort of resistance to take a counter trend trade, which also will align with the buy scenario, I don't know. So, or a retracement resistance to come down. Just keep it simple. Keeping it simple. I think that's my outlook. We couldn't take any trade here. This is testing. You see this move, it's testing our patience. If you just rush into the trade in this scenario, you will see that later on a perfect structure will print and you will have either no bullet to get in, or your confidence level will be so low that you will not be able to execute. So the key is to always wait to see something you recognize and you are very confident in it. That's the key. And that's what I'm waiting. I need to see something I recognize and that I can execute with confidence. So yesterday this was a trade. Later on nothing happened. We got this break here, but it was risky a little bit. You see 1 hour break, the low. But this was PM session as well. 12 PM. Look at this. Oh, okay, 15 minutes. No entry here, but 15 minutes gave some sort of entry. But it was PM session anyway. And yeah. And Raja took a wonderful trade here to push up on 15 minutes. Counter trend trade. This trade was just great. Now I'm watching this trade. You see stop loss was like 40 pip, but here 30 pip, which was good. I guess you could have kept your stop loss here, because if we are breaking this high, price has no business coming down here again. So this could have been a good stop loss. I'm also watching the Asian session, because there is always volume in the Asian session. I told you last week, right? There is a lot of volume during Asian session.
Hello.
Yeah, told you last week there is a lot of volume during Asian session.
Yeah, but I cannot trade Asian session.
Yeah, but that's a perfect timing for me, because it is the night time, kids are sleeping, no noise, nothing. I think I should have only traded Asian session since the beginning of my career.
No, this is not good at all.
But I was going after, based off my time zone and my schedule, Asian session is the best for me.
Yeah.
Because London session here is 2 a.m., 3 a.m., no sleep. And NYSE, I'm supposed to be working as well. So pre-New York was good as well, because that's before starting the work. 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. That was good. So Asian session and pre-New York, I think that's what I should trade normally. But I already got used to NYSE. It's been like two plus years now trading that. So, or 2 years maybe, trading NYSE session. So this is not the time to change that, right?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. What are you doing, Amol? You are talking to someone, or?
No, not talking. The noises are coming, so I just thought to be muted.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I need a... Can we catch the retracement here, or?
No. Wait for
No,
a retest.
not on this candle. Not on this candle. But
On the next candle.
On the next candle.
Yeah, even though next candle, wait for a retest for it's in downtrend. Wait for a resistance from resistance break to catch a retracement.
Exactly. So
Don't
there
do
is
this thing.
there is two things that can happen: either retracement resistance, or some sort of resistance break here to catch the retracement. That's what I'm referring to.
Maybe on 30-minute this candle can close like that. Next maybe 15-minute can form some sort of a resistance weak candle and break.
But this is good. Look at this candle is closing with no bottom wick. This candle is pushing up way here. If we can find a resistance here, because we haven't reached the target yet, I think the next move can reach the target.
Yeah. Wait for that. I'm waiting for it.
Oh, Shakil is disconnected. So how is the stock market today? I took a big trade yesterday on the stock market. We'll see if it's gonna work. Oh, Raven is going up.
Hello?
Yeah, bro. I like what I'm seeing, man. We are making a low. This is pushing up. All we need is to wait for some sort of
Resistance. Yeah,
yeah.
on 30.
I don't think it's gonna happen before 10:30. So I think I will end the stream and probably keep the Zoom. So
Yeah, bro.
yeah. So when there is
Keep
something.
Mm.
Okay, YouTube. So this is the outlook. We are waiting for some sort of resistance, but maybe we can also go back and close above here to take a buy. So that's the thing now. That's the only thing we need to wait. So thanks for joining. See you tomorrow.